Hey, Daddy. Actually, part 4 wasn't actually the bonus footage. But anyways, here comes Metrolink 688. Service to Laguna Go.
Where did this train originate at?
Irvine.
It originated in Irvine?
No, I think it got boarded at Fullerton or something. And because of too much delay, Amtrak 5785 down there will be 10 minutes late.
6:43 from Fullerton. Oh no, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. 6:33 to Fullerton is on Metrolink.
So it may arrive first before Amtrak.
The two trains supposed to arrive at the same time. It's been at 59 kh on it.
Yeah, and Daddy, look, this is... I think this is train 688. 862 this time! Look, Cabcars 6. Yep. Ooh, 2 Cabcars. 4 Cabcars. All in the row. 16. Oh, look. 618. I mean, 4 of them.
I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
I can smell the cool Metrolink paint. The Metrolink ticket.
They'll take Amtrak tickets also.
What the? Eyeball! I can't believe there's 4 Cabcars on this train. And can't believe they got these 2 Cabcars in service. 617 and 618. 627 and 618. Alright, Daddy, I'll see you later. Bye. It's actually from Los Angeles. Alright, bye, Dad.
See you, big guy.